Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Gwan Tours. We're in the beautiful Albufeira Old Town and we're in the square and we're going to see Gwan. You guys all know the vibe, hope you're all doing well. So yeah, we're just going out for some drinks this evening and we thought we'd show you guys what it's like early evening if you want to venture out and have some drinks or have your dinner. So this is the famous square, world famous Albufeira Old Town Square. Got some bars and everything down there. All the little market stalls out. So yeah, it's really nice. Just early evening, so we got that last little bit of the daylight. Time check is, drum roll. So 7 o'clock, to give you guys a little bit of time. So not quite dark, but in the next hour it will be. So we thought this would be a good time to show you what it's like. So it goes up around there, but we're just going to walk around the square area. Everyone's got their little lanterns out. It isn't actually like really cold, is it? But we both brought jackets on because we're planning on actually staying out tonight. Hello, evening. So we just wanted to be prepared more for sort of the 10 plus hours. No, it's in like 10 o'clock onwards, not like 10 plus hours we're planning on being out. We're going to be out. Oh yeah, there's football on tonight, so a lot of these places will show football as well. Yeah, Liverpool, Manchester and Real Madrid. So someone else is playing, like Newcastle's on as well. I don't know. Do you want to have a quick walk down there and then back? No? I'll just quickly show you guys up here. So there's more like restaurants and everything going up that way, but we're going, like I said, around the square. Got a top with Ronaldo and all the teams he's played on, but they don't actually sell it here. We got that one in Turkey, but if you do want Ronaldo gear, there's loads of these football shops around. Obviously not just Ronaldo exclusive, there is other famous Portuguese players. I don't know, I'm sure there is some though. Hello! Sir Harry's in one of our videos when we was looking for the cheapest pint, but that will be updated, or has been updated, so do watch that video if you are interested. If you want to bargain, you want to go somewhere and you don't want to spend a fortune, we have sorted you out on this channel, as always. So it's a good one. A little bit more pricier in here, isn't it? So, Central Station, the one with the famous bull. Yeah, they are standard. Alright, stand corrected. But it's really big in there. Again, this will be a lot busier later when everyone's sort of coming out for their evening. For their, hello, evening drinks. Did you want to go that way? Or straight up? So down there you've got Bank, you've also going towards like Vegas bar. Yeah, you'll see that later on a separate video. So if you like this one, like it, subscribe, and then you'll see the next one. Check out our Portugal series, Albufeira. Right, so we're going to go and get a drink before we go and have some dinner. So we're not going to do Yellow Lounge, we're going to do that later, we've decided. But that's a really nice, one of our favourites. Can you guys guess where we're going? Can you figure it out? We have been to this one a few times. Maybe you haven't seen the videos yet, maybe you have. So forgiven if you've only just watched this one. But yeah, we found a restaurant that does like a really nice Prosecco. Really good price. It's got a little terrace and seating area. So we're going to head there, have a nice little drink, enjoy the early hours of the evening and hope it doesn't get too messy. It always does. Yeah, if you know us well, it always does. Yeah, if you don't, then we are drinkers. Right, so this is it, the free harps. Right, so we just had some food at the Spice Lounge, which was really, really nice. And then we're going to make our way to the main little part of the strip, so towards Vegas Bar, and see what's Gwan in. Let's see what Gwan, you guys will know the vibe. So we just had some good food at the Spice Lounge. It's one of our favourite restaurants to go to. Really affordable actually. It was just under 30. We had starters, a main, some trimmings and a bottle of water. So I think that's a really good price for what it was. Really affordable. I'm going to speak up because we're getting to the main bit of the strip. It's a lot busier now. As you can see, the music's ramped up from you see the earlier day videos. So we got the taxi rank just down there. Yeah, we're just going to go towards Vegas Bar and see who's playing. They usually have a live musical act. So let's have a look and see who's playing tonight. So you got the Piccadilly. They're all showing football at the moment. So it's Champions League. Hello. So yeah, the football's on. We've got the Spa as well, which we do need to go to. So should we pause it and go to Spa? Okay, we've got another performer coming up. So another like street performer. So yeah, might have to put our own music on this, obviously for copyright reasons. So yeah, let me know if you're a fan of live music, street music, because it's your biggest nightmare. Be interesting to know. Very busy down this end.
Nice to see you. Tell me, what is it, sexy? I kissed. I kissed. I did it. What song is this one? What song is it?
Quite a few times. We've got a few videos on the channel if you want to check out his set. Comment below if you're a fan, if you've been to see him live. Always shops. It's quite a cute little set. So yeah, it's just coming up for 9:30, 10:15. Still quite a lot open. So if you're not ready for bed yet, still take a little wander and do a shop. Got the market stalls. So we've done a day video of the square. You can see it's still really vibrant, a lot going on. Got the sweet stall, Central Station. Go down there again. So yeah, we're headed straight towards Central Station. Really good one. The football's still on at the moment, so it's got lots of screens. And then as soon as the football's done, it will turn into like a dance floor. It does like karaoke, it does all sorts, yeah. So there's always loads going on in that one. Definitely recommended. We've always had a good night in there. Yeah, a little bit chilly. YOLO Lounge in the distance. It's meant to be quite a cool moon tonight, but I think it was a little bit cloudy. We can't actually see it from where we are, unfortunately. But yeah, so it's mid-October, and I have got a jacket on, so just to give you guys a little bit of a kind of clothes guide. But it is really warm during the day, and I feel the cold a lot. Kirk doesn't, he's got a jacket on, but I think he'd be all right if you didn't have a jacket on, especially if you got more of a vodka jacket. But yeah, I needed this tonight just to getting myself out and about. But I'm very happy I haven't had to resort to trousers or anything, so that's a plus, a really big plus. But yeah, we're going to end it there. We're at Central. We're going to have a few drinks, enjoy the night. If you want to see more of the Old Town at night, the bars, where we like to go, do check out the videos. We've got loads on this area. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.